SnapBots.
Hi guys, my name is SnapBots. In this video I will guide you on how to fund or deposit cryptocurrency to SnapBots Wallet. SnapBots are decentralized financial bots. Just by holding cryptocurrencies on SnapBots platform, users can earn passive income from 2% to 5% a month. SnapBots Wallet can support several types of cryptocurrencies including Snap, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and USDT. If you already purchased cryptocurrencies on exchanges or if you already have cryptocurrencies in another wallets, you can easily deposit it into SnapBots Wallet. If you still don't have cryptocurrencies, there is another tutorial video on how to purchase cryptocurrencies, please watch it first. In this video, we will go through how to move your USDT coin from Huobi exchanges to SnapBots Wallet. When you transfer cryptocurrencies from one to another, you will need a deposit address. Since you will deposit in SnapBots Wallet, you can get this deposit wallet address from SnapBots Wallet. In SnapBots Wallet, you go to Dashboard and find USDT as we will deposit USDT. And click Deposit. By clicking Copy Address, deposit address is ready. There is one very important point here. If the deposit address is USDT coin address, you can only send USDT coin to that address. For example, if you send Bitcoin to USDT address, you may lose your cryptocurrency. So always make sure you transfer the right coin to the right address. Once you have this deposit address copied, now we go to Huobi exchange. Click the balances, and click USDT. Now we will click Withdraw. We choose ERC20 as the chain name. And enter the deposit address you copied. Withdraw amount is the amount you would like to withdraw. Fee as transaction fee. Receive amount as the total amount other party will be received. Now click the Withdraw. Huobi exchange requires 3-level verification to withdraw. Here I enter SMS code, email verification code and Google authentication code. Now click Confirm as the final confirmation. Depending on each cryptocurrency blockchain network, it may take from 5 minutes to several hours. The most important thing is that you must enter the correct address for the correct coin. If you are a beginner, you may try a small amount first to get familiar with the procedure before you try the big amount. See you guys on the next video.